All right, so here we go, second half. All right, here we go. Al Horford, Atlanta Hawks, regular card. Brandon Jennings, Milwaukee Bucks, regular card. This might be the second, or maybe this is a second gold. Houston Rockets, Hakeem Olajuwon, numbered out of 10. Very nice.
There was another gold in there.
Very nice. That's the second one. Is it two or is it
Supposed to be one. One Gold Rush insert.
Very nice. See, when you come to Games and Cards, you get two. See? It's the way it goes. Promotion, promotion. LaMarcus Aldridge, Trailblazers, insert card. Utah Jazz, John Stockton. Looks like a
Insert
gold records. Numbered out of 299. That's the first one we've seen of that. Oklahoma City Thunder, Kevin Durant, insert card. I'm not even going to attempt this name. Timofey Mozgov, Denver Nuggets, rookie.
Catch.
Numbered to 299. LeBron James, jersey card. Miami Heat, numbered to 299. Ray Allen, jersey card. Numbered out of 214. Boston Celtics. Jeff Teague autograph, Atlanta Hawks, 299. Roy Hibbert, Indiana Pacers, autograph numbered to 299. And last but not least, what's his name? Meta World Peace. Ron Artest. Where's... You're rolling with the Lakers. Ron Artest, regular card. All right, so there's
Let's
no
go.
problems there. Number 7.
This is number 7. Yep.
We're almost done.
3 more.
Dad's waiting for a Kobe autograph, dude. You got to relax.
Yeah, there could be one in there.
All right, Oklahoma City Thunder, Eric Maynor, regular card.
Could you see? Yeah.
Brandon Jennings, Milwaukee Bucks, regular card. Looks like a platinum. Kevin Martin, numbered out of 25, Houston Rockets, 25 of 25. Who got Houston, by the way? Oh, hey, what's up, John? Awesome. Awesome. Nene, Denver Nuggets, insert card. Oh, old school, 76ers. Daryl Dawkins, number 299. Shane Battier, insert card.
Battier.
Number 299. All right, we got a Spurs coming through. Tim Duncan jersey card.
Cool.
Number 249. Michael Redd, should be Milwaukee Bucks, if I'm correct.
Yeah.
USA card, number 299. We do have another redemption, folks. Gold Rings Signatures, card number 8. Steve Smith, jersey card. Should be Atlanta Hawks, but again, we will figure that one out. Antoine Jameson, nice, very nice patch.
Auto.
Cleveland Cavaliers auto. Beautiful card. Numbered out of 25. So sometimes, you know, things come out that, you know, you're not expecting.
What is it numbered to 25?
To 25, yeah. Very nice. Greg Monroe autograph. Detroit Pistons. Numbered to 299. Ooh, that one gave us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 13 cards in that one.
Wow.
And then Robin Lopez, I'm sorry, Phoenix Suns, regular card. All right, so box number 8. Alrighty, here we go.
There we go. Still that one big one.
Memphis Grizzlies, have they come up yet?
Yeah.
They have? Okay. Memphis Grizzlies, Mark Gasol, regular card. Nene, Denver Nuggets, regular card. Oh, finally, a Magic Johnson card. Gold mining Lakers fan. Hey, very cool. Awesome. Number out of 299.
You're gonna walk away with something, little boy. It's okay.
Dirk Nowitzki, insert card, $2.99. Julius Erving, insert card, numbered out of $2.99.
Cool.
Dwayne Wade, insert card, $2.99. Dwayne Wade, jersey card, numbered out of $1.99. Chris Paul, New Orleans. Ooh, we got another. Ooh, Lakers, very nice. We got Chris Paul first off. Sorry, I got ahead of myself. Chris Paul, jersey card, numbered out of $2.49. The Lakers finally show up. Gail Goodrich, logo, numbered out of $99.
It's a nice one.
Lakers, very nice. Mark Price, USA. Again, I think he's Cleveland, so. Autograph. J.J. Reddick, sorry. Orlando, autograph to $2.99. And Sean Kemp, Seattle Supersonics, who do not exist anymore. So that will have to go to who's, right?
Yeah.
Oklahoma City, right?
Should be Thunder.
Okay.
Good job.
Very cool.
See?
2 more left, guys.
This is box 9.
Box number 9.
Box 9.
2 more. 1 more after this one.
10 more.
10
20
more.
more.
20
No.
more. Where are you going to? You going somewhere?
He's
Like,
got a
going
hot
on?
date or something.
Got like a date? Huh? Got a date?
Oh, you gotta get a haircut after this?
Yeah, gotta get a haircut. What's going on?
Yeah, I do.
Oh, okay.
So then you should be like wanting to stay here.
Dude, I mean, come on. No homework. No. What are you complaining
He's like,
about?
my dad already pulled the big card. Let's
Yeah. All right, here we go. Utah Jazz, Devin Harris, regular card.
Kobe.
Lamar Odom, Lakers, regular card. Another double, Julius Erving, Iguodala, 76ers. Numbered out of $2.99. Tariq Evans, Sacramento Kings, $2.99. Insert. John Stockton, insert card, numbered out of $2.99. Carlos Boozer, numbered out of $2.99.
Not yet.
Steve Smith, USA. Autograph, jersey card, numbered out of 99.
Which team is that?
I think he's Atlanta Hawks. I could be wrong, but we'll figure it out. Nene Hilario, jersey card, numbered out of 199. Gordon Hayward, rookie card, Utah Jazz, numbered out of 299. Bernard King, jersey card, numbered out of 299. Antoine Jameson keeps coming up, so that's pretty cool. Cleveland Cavaliers autograph, 199. And Richard Hamilton to 299. Detroit Pistons. All right, folks, last box. All right, hopefully it's in here.
Yeah, let's hope.
Because the logo patches and the team patches came
I
out.
think those came out, right.
And the dual auto came out.
Larry Bird, Boston Celtics, regular card.
Wow.
Luke Redenauer, Timberwolves, regular card. Ooh, that's a nice looking card. That would have been beautiful if that was autographed.
Oh, yeah.
Sorry, you don't get it because it's Lower Merion, so it doesn't go to Lakers, it goes to the high school.
There is an autographed version of
Sorry.
that, by the way.
No, kidding. Kobe Bryant, 24K it looks like it says on there.
Number 2.
Numbered out of 299.
299.
Elvin Hayes,
There are
Washington Bullets.
Washington Wizards.
Oh, another.
Lakers.
Wilt Chamberlain, Gold Records.
That's a Laker. I saw a Laker in the bottom.
Oh, it's a Laker pack. Wilt Chamberlain, $2.99. Lamar Odom, Gold Stars insert card, numbered out of $2.99. Amari Stoudemire jersey card, numbered to $2.49. Clyde Drexler, Portland Trailblazers, numbered out of $2.99. Andre Iguodala, autograph, numbered out of 99. Jersey autograph.
Cleaning out.
Derek Fisher, autograph, jersey card, numbered out of 49. Turkaloo autograph,
On the what?
numbered out of 299. Yao Ming, regular card, numbered out of 299. That's what you got.
Very nice.
That's what it is. So there you have it.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you, Harry.